Hey, down here. Welcome to Sonny's the Car Wash Factory. I'm Dan Kaisera, the operations manager, and today we're standing on our robotic welding cell. We need our robots to make sure that we can keep up with all of the stuff that you guys are buying in this rapidly expanding car wash market. We do aluminum and steel, and these are the absolute workhorses of our shop. The 3 guys we have staffing this on first shift and the 2 guys we have staffing it on second make sure that these things crank all day. We're burning wire, making rollers, conveyors, new tire brushes, gussets, everything that you need, everything that we need to make in high volumes to make sure that we support your operations. We've got a lot more stuff to show you in the shop today, so come on with me. And for more videos, check out www.sonnysdirect.com/VR.